The DJI Mini 5 Pro is highly anticipated, with expectations of significant upgrades while maintaining the core features that have made the Mini series so popular. DJI aims to keep the Mini 5 Pro under 250 grams, which is crucial for beginner and hobbyist users as it avoids the need for an FAA license. This weight constraint is a key selling point for the Mini series, and it's likely that DJI will continue to prioritize this in the Mini 5 Pro. One of the most exciting rumors is the potential camera upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro may feature a larger 1-inch sensor compared to the 1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. This would significantly improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The focus is likely to be on sensor quality rather than resolution, which means we can expect better dynamic range and noise performance. Improvements in AI tracking are also expected, with enhanced accuracy, especially for fast-moving subjects like vehicles. This would make the Mini 5 Pro more appealing for professional creators who need reliable tracking for dynamic shots. Another rumored feature is the addition of 5G connectivity. This would improve control and enable high-resolution live transmission during flights, which could be a game-changer for live streaming and real-time monitoring. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to release around November 2024, following DJI's typical annual development cycle. This timeline aligns the previous releases and gives us an idea of when to expect the official announcement. In terms of flight time, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain the 40-minute flight time from previous models. This is already an impressive figure, and maintaining it would be a significant achievement given the potential addition of new features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could be an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilots due to its enhanced features while staying lightweight. The combination of portability and advanced capabilities makes it a versatile option for a wide range of users. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be an evolution of the current Mini series rather than a complete redesign. DJI's strategy of making incremental upgrades has been a successful formula in the past, allowing them to refine and enhance the Mini drones without losing the core appeal that made them so popular. The main goal for the Mini 5 Pro will be to improve on the features that matter most to users without significantly altering the formula that has worked for DJI. Key areas for improvement include the camera, where rumors suggest a larger 1-inch sensor, offering better little-light performance and dynamic range. This would enhance the overall image quality, a crucial aspect for users interested in aerial photography and videography. While a resolution bump is unlikely, DJI tends to prioritize sensor quality over sheer resolution, a move that aligns with the needs of most drone enthusiasts. Another important upgrade will be AI tracking, where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to improve subject following accuracy, particularly for fast-moving subjects. This would make the drone more versatile, catering to professional content creators who require reliable tracking for action shots. Additionally, 5G connectivity is a rumored feature, which would provide more precise control and high-definition live transmission. This would give users better real-time feedback and more control over their drone's movements during flight. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting release with a focus on camera improvements, AI tracking, and connectivity. The expected upgrades aim to enhance the user experience while maintaining the lightweight and portable design that the Mini series is known for. As we approach the rumored release date, more details are likely to emerge, and we look forward to seeing how the Mini 5 Pro will be received. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and rumors.